If you use YouTube to study or to search for videos, watch this video. It's a quick tip. It's so useful and it will change the way you search on YouTube. This is a great tip if you want to learn how to search more effectively on YouTube. Let me give you an example. I'm going to search for shopping in English. Many videos are returned. Which one should I choose if I'm learning English, for example? What I can do is I can click on filters and I can say I only want videos with subtitles. That's going to help me. I'm going to click on filters and say I only want videos that are under 4 minutes, just short dialogues. And I'm going to click on filters and I'm going to look for videos that have been uploaded recently. So for example, in the last year. Now I get a completely different set of videos. These are new videos, they've got subtitles, and they're less than 4 minutes. If you want more free videos on how to use technology in language teaching, please come over to teachertrainingvideos.com. There's loads of content, including a special section of AI videos. If you really want to follow my work, sign up to the newsletter. If you sign up to the newsletter, at the moment there is a free 14-part video course in how to use technology in language teaching, where I focus on most of the best free tools that are available. There are no tricks and you get sent one video every 3 or 4 days.